All right, we've been having some issues with the cylinders not closing the window all the way. It's about 55 degrees outside and it should be all the way up, which it's not. So we're going to show you 3 points of adjustments so that you can adjust it. That way it does close for you. The first one, the simplest, is go ahead and adjust the cylinder. What you can do on that is go ahead and screw it out until it brings the window up for you. You kind of see that the window goes in there kind of cockeyed because there has to be slop in the window in order to allow for expansion and contraction. But say you go ahead and do that, you adjust it all the way up or all the way out, and you still have some gap on the window. What you can do is you can go to step number 2, and that's going to be to adjust the hold position for the bracket on the window. To do that, you're going to need an 11/32 socket, and then place your finger on the back side of the bolt. Go ahead and hold it in place there. Do the same on your other one. Go ahead and spin your nuts off. Pull your bracket out. You're going to move it up a set of holes. What that'll do is that'll bring it up 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch. And then you can go ahead and put your nuts back on again. Lightly snug it. You don't want to get carried away, otherwise it'll pull the bolt through the window. All right, so if after you adjust your bolt position and your cylinder and you still do not have enough clearance for that window to go ahead and close, the third adjustment is go ahead and adjust the 1/4 inch screws that mount this rear bracket to the board or the header. Most of the time you will have to remove the screws in order to adjust them. Go ahead and slide your bracket up. Lightly seat your screws. You don't want to strip out your wood or split it out. And then again, go ahead and screw your cylinder in. Take some of that tension off. You see it started to drop again. Go ahead and back it out until it lightly seats on there, and you're good to go. And those are the 3 points adjustments for the automatic window opener.